WAICY, Word Artificial Intelligence Competition for Use, VM Calculator. Project name, VM Calculator. Hello there, thank you for seeing my presentation. Let me present myself. My name is Budiman. I'm 10 years old and I live in Jakarta. Right now, I school in Kindergarten Sawit. And there, I'm in the 5th grade. Since the time I've learned coding and Kodekido, I have learned a lot about AI and what it can do. So with the information I have learned, I built this app that specializes in sparing time and helping disabled individuals calculate faster, whereas moreover, making a difference in the way people calculate. The main objective of this app is to construct an effect on society and alter how individuals utilize their calculators. Problem. Most individuals utilize ordinary calculators that have built into your phone like Samsung calculator. Over 1/7 of the population has a Samsung calculator, which doesn't indeed say how many individuals have a calculator. The issue with these calculators is that they squander part of time and can make disabled individuals difficult to calculate. Example, envision you were born without a hand and you need to utilize a calculator for schoolwork. But it is very difficult to type and you have to press different buttons to induce the results, multiple buttons. That's why I built this app to assist disabled individuals and typical individuals to calculate quicker and alter how individuals utilize their calculators for the better. Solution. The solution or app I came up with is a calculator that is exceptionally distinctive from conventional ones. It listens to what you say and says the answers. This calculator has 4 distinctive operations: addition, subtractions, times, and division. This solution or app will offer assistance to handicapped people, moreover, make a difference in sparing time by putting within the numbers faster. The benefits: better way of calculating for handicapped people, sparing seconds, quicker result time, and speedier inquiring time. Usage and ethics of AI. Perception, employment of sounds, speech recognizer. Representation, collects information, numbers and speech. Reasoning, utilize collected information to calculate results and make decisions. Machine learning, learns and trains to utilize collected data. Human and AI interaction. Employment sounds, speech recognizers. I want to give credit for the idea myself, Budiman, the code from Brooks Anderson, the coding, me, Budiman, and help from Mr. Rizky, and app logo from me, Budiman, and the slides, grammar and vocab, grammarlywriter.com and fairphraseonline.com. Talking, Brendan Budiman, and taking video, Mr. Rizky. Thank you for seeing my presentation. This is my designers tab. As you can see, this is the calculator, VM calculator. I added a border outside the label, as well as the text and speak to translate label. This is the speak button, and these are all the buttons. The dark buttons, these are the operators, and these are the reset and the equals button. This is the user calculate tab stuff, user text label. So when you press like a number like this, the number appears on the user text label. And when you click the equals button, the response will appear on the calculator text label. Now this is my blocks. Let me see. All right, so when the speak button is clicked, which is this one, it will set the user text label dot text equals to nothing, and also the calculator text label equals to nothing. And it will also call the speech recognizer to get the text. So that is for the speech recognizer. Yes, for the speech button. And basically for button 0, which is the 0 button, it will set the global current, which is a variable, to that variable times by 10 plus by the button 0.text, which is 0. And button 1, the global current will be set to 0. The global previous will be set to 0, and the user text label.text will be set to 0. Button 1 is essentially the reset button. I just forgot to name it. And button 6, button 6, button 1 until button 9 is the same with button 0, except you just change it a little. Thank you for seeing the blocks presentation and the designer presentation. Now it's time to test the app by itself. So as you can see here, this says the calculator, text and speech, the translate, the speak button, all the operate button. Here heard response is that. So I'll test the speak button. If I press the speak like this, 1 plus 0.
The product 1.
Yes, which is the product 1. And if I test like the numbers here, like for example, 5 plus 10 equals
15.
It will say the response. And yes. And if I like spam a bunch of numbers into the user text label, and if I click reset, it goes blank. Thank you for seeing my presentation, my blogs and design and app. Especially all the work I done. Thank you very much for seeing it. Bye.